Of parents destroying kids' electronics.
Sitting here waiting for William. We wanted to do our movie family night. And as usual, the Xbox is taken. He's giving into the Xbox and not coming down. Guys, I'm going to ask him one more time. Because well, William! You need to get down here and do this.
I'm not coming down!
Why? I want to do family time!
I don't want to have family time! Forget it, screw off!
Bill, you need to do something with your child.
Goodness gracious.
Will, get down here now!
I'm not coming down!
Will, come on!
No!
Yes!
No!
Lucy, go up and get his Xbox.
Finally.
No! What are you doing? No! Get the freak off!
Your sister needs the Xbox!
Stop!
Your sister needs the
Turn off
Xbox!
my freaking game! No!
Your sister...
No! Stop! No! Get off! No!
Yo, William, we've been waiting all day for you to come down and do family time.
Not getting your Xbox!
No! We're tired of you and the Xbox!
Freak trap! Hey, get back here!
Give me that Xbox. Give it to me.
Get back here!
No!
Get back here! No! No, stop!
Stay back!
Stop!
You stay back!
Stop!
Stay
Get
back!
here!
Stay
Get
back!
back here! Get back here! No!
William!
No! Stop! What the heck?
Get him, Bill! Get him! Take this! Take this!
Get back in the house.
Give me my Xbox!
Get back in the house.
No! Give me my
Back in the
Xbox!
house.
No!
Back in the
No!
house.
What are you doing? What are you
Oh my god!
doing? No!
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Get the house. It's done.
Finally!
Why did you smash my Xbox? Oh my gosh!
Gonna whoop your freaking ass. You little foul mouth, wanna be a hoe, got stupid fools talking you crazy, got boys on this.
No, not 5 minutes. No. 5 minutes.
No.
5 minutes.
No, that's enough.
5 minutes.
No. Now.
5 minutes.
Now.
Xbox? What are you in the Xbox for?
Alright, get out.
Harry,
There's nothing to do. Alright, there's nothing to do outside. What is that?
see this.
What?
No, don't. I'm gonna tuck it over.
Harry, no.
Guys, going. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Ah! Ah! My Xbox! Oh my god!
And she didn't. Let's see what happens.
Okay, he don't want to answer. Hold on just 1 second, big dog. Hold on just 1 second. Just pause right there. See what's going on. Please back up the way, please. Y'all back this way. Now, what do you... Come here. Come here. Get your ass over here.
My feet are hot.
Goddamn thieving ass motherfucker. Keep on crying, all that black on. Now, what do you want? Do you want this Xbox or you want this ass whooping? Which one you want? You want to keep the Xbox? That's the good answer. I'm going to give you the Xbox right now.
Oh no. Bye. He's gonna give him it broken.
Back up, Tracy.
He's gonna give him it broken.
Hey, this is how I get down. He wanted the Xbox because that's easy.
And she didn't. Let's see what happens.
Stop, Janaya.
You throwing stuff?
No!
親父に前壊されたらしい。 え入ってきた。半端ないぞ。半端がない。マジやめろやめろやめろやめろやめろやめろ。これだけはあかんって。おいおいやめろやめろやめろやめろやめろほんまやめろやめろやめろやめろってほんまやめろやめろやめろやめろおいやめろってやめろっておいおいおいマジボケ
I hereby denounce the effects that social media have on my children, their disobedience and their disrespect. Set her up. Are you still recording?
Yes, ma'am.
Ethan has left, refused to stay. The other two are still here.
Yeah, great. Great.
I refuse to be cursed. I refuse to be disobeyed. I take back my role as your parent. Get a shot of them. All right? Anything left, put it on top.
It used to be the touch screen. There's the rest of the screen.
Children's lives are more important to me than any electronic on this earth.
Good for you. We still don't get to.
I refuse to have them influenced in negative ways, contacting people they don't know, being involved in drama they don't need to be in, and being in trouble in school for having phones out.
Let me hit it. Let me hit it.
She didn't. Let's see what happens.
That I didn't get him.
Let's go.
It's not my fault that I didn't get him though.
Let's go. You've had 3 weeks, Jason. Let's go.
It's not my fault. My
Too
teacher
bad.
doesn't want to give it to
Let's
me.
go.
It's not my fault.
Now.
I hate my life.
Let's go. Next one. Let's go.
And she didn't. Let's see what happens.
I bought my daughter an iPhone a year ago. Told her she'd get a job for a job. I'm still paying for it.
Oh my gosh, I don't even know what that is.
2 months later. Guess what happens to your phone?
Oh my, that's just hard to watch. Oh, she is pissed.
You wanted it?
Oh man, oh.
But now, she's in pieces. She's got fixable now.
Yeah, she's gonna have a hard time texting now. I would say so.
And she didn't. Let's see what happens.
More important than my goddamn cookies, huh?
Hey! Stop that! Oh my god. Oh my god.
How about that, bitch? How about that, huh?
Dude, get out!
Damn you! Get out there! How about that, huh? How about that? How about that for your PlayStation 4? There it is! How about...
Dude!
Your PlayStation 4, yeah? I'll let me play it! Let me see! Oh, there comes the goddamn thing! Now, you want big cookies or not? Huh?
Michael, call the cops!
Yeah, you call the cops! That's all the cops! Where's my phone?
Michael, seriously?
Yeah, hold on, wait a minute.
Get out!
You gotta go, dude. You just gotta go. How about that, huh? Hey, Mike, let's play a game. There's your goddamn table!
Dude, get out! Michael?
Next time I need to do something, you're done! Come on, Mr. Avenger. Another one.
Wow. You gotta do something about him, dude. I think we should get him committed. I'm serious.
Trying to get good video.
Where are they?
He's just
His
trying to
Xbox is right there.
Jeffrey, don't touch that. That's the Xbox One, Dad. Don't touch that shit, Dad. What the fuck are you, Dad? What the fuck are you doing, Dad? It's Xbox. You're not touching this. You're not. Get away. Put it back. What are you gonna chainsaw me? What are you, Dad? You cut through a plastic thing. There's plastic everywhere. Get the fuck out of here. You think that's funny? You think that's funny? I don't know. He's sawing it up. What the fuck's he doing? Dad? Oh,
shit.
Dad!
Holy shit!
And she didn't. Let's see what happens.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh yeah. And after that comment you made about your mom told me to be sure I put one in there for her. So that one's from her. And if I got one left, I got 2 left. Now I'm out. So, just for the record, whenever you're not grounded, whenever year that happens to be, you can have a new laptop when you buy a new laptop. And when you pay me back the $130 for the software